Hello, greetings, dear students, dear followers. Turabashuje cyane abanyeshuri twigana muri class yacu namwe dukurikira. Uyu munsi welcome to the class of today. Turabahaye ikaze muri class ya none. I think we all love the lesson of today. Stay in touch with us. Remember to subscribe, follow, and share on our account. Thank you very much. Welcome. Murakoze cyane, ni karibu. What is this? Repeat after me. Subiramo. What is this? This is a bottle. Iri ni ichupa. A bottle. What is this? What is this? Ichinichi. Repeat after me. What is this? Ichinichi. This is a cup. Uyu ni umufuniko w'icupa. Another one can call it reed. Undi ayinobasha kubyita reed. This is a reed. This is a cup. Umufuniko w'icupa, amacupa muri rusange tuyita cup. For example, where is the cup of my bottle? Urugero, umufuniko w'icupa ryanjye uri he? Another one can say, this cup is not for my bottle. It is bigger than my bottle. Uyu mufuniko ntabwo ari w'icupa ryanjye. Ni munini urariruta. Thank you. Then, within the oil bottle, what do you have there? Mu icupa ry'amavuta tuba dufitemo iki? Who can guess? Ninde wabitomboza? I think you know. Ndabizi ko mubizi. Within the bottle of oil, mu icupa ry'amavuta tuba dufitemo amavuta. Within the bottle of oil, we have there oil. You can even call it jelly, body jelly. Ariko muri rusange it is oil. Muri rusange ni oil. This is oil. Jelly. After that, what do we use? Oil. Nyuma yaho rero, amavuta tuyakoresha iki? I am rubbing oil with my hands. Ndimo ndarabinga amavuta nkoresheje intoki. This action is called rubbing. Repeat after me. Rubbing. Then after rubbing the oil, we do oiling. Kwisiga. Oiling. I am oiling. For example, sorry, brother, you didn't oil your face properly. Can you please oil it again? Ntabwo wasize amaso yawe mu maso yawe neza, ongera wisige neza. Another example, can you please give me that bottle of oil? Wabasha kumpa ririya cupa ry'amavuta? I want to oil my body. Ndashaka kwisiga. For you who are with us in this lesson, thank you very much. Next action. Igikorwa gikurikiyeho. What is this? Iki ni iki? This is a nail cutter. Aka ni akuma gaca inzara. What is this? Iki ni iki? Repeat after me. What is this? Iki ni iki? These are nails, or this is a nail. Tuvuze mu bice in singular. This is a nail. These are nails. Inzara tuzita nails. Cutting nail. Nail. I am cutting my nail. Another I can call it trimming. I know I've got trimming. It is another way. I am trimming my nails. Guca inzara. Thank you very much. Hello, class. What is this? Repeat after me. What is this? This is a comb. Iki ni igisokozo. I think, oh no. This is a comb. We say comb, not a combo. You see, we write C-O-M-B, but we read comb, not a comb. Igisokozo. So the action is combing, combing. I am combing my hair. I am combing my hair. Another example. Can you please get a comb and comb your hair? It looks bad. Wafata igisokozo ugasokoza umusatsi wawe. Umusatsi wawe urasa nabi. Please comb your hair. Please comb your hair. Sokoza umusatsi wawe. We say back to you. Thank you for today. Thank you for being with us. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share. Remember to follow for you to get the new lessons as we put them. Thank you very much. Your fluence is our business. Be fluent with us. Menya kuvuga Icyongereza ufatanyije natwe. Thank you very much.